Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's modern co-parenting case takes a page from Suckers R Us. Dad proudly covers mom's full insurance plan, medical, dental, vision, the works, and somehow thinks this entitles him to pay less child support. The problem? Mom happily agrees because who needs extra money for your kid when you can have free root canals? Mind you, they aren't married and aren't living together, so the vibe is just weird. Let's watch how this upside-down arrangement plays out in front of a judge.
We're hearing cause number DF 2504816. Cannings and Scroggins. With the parties in the Cannings matter, please unmute yourself, turn your cameras on, and raise your right hands. Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Mr. Cannings?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Scroggins?
Yes, Your Honor.
May both lower your hands, and Ms. Peoples, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. We're here on a suit affecting parent-child relationship. Judge, parties have an agreement as to all issues, Judge. They are agreeing and requesting a deviation of the child support. If I could go through the terms of the proposed order and then take testimony.
You may.
So there's one child before the court, Judge, Sky Cannings. I'd offer as State's Exhibit A, the acknowledgement of paternity for that child, which was attached to the pleadings.
State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. Parties agree to be joint managing conservators, with the mother having the exclusive right to determine the residence in Dallas or any contiguous counties. Judge, parties do have visitation schedule that is working for them. However, they're in agreement with the standard possession schedule that would be attached to the back of the order. There's one child before the court. Mr. Cannings does not have any other children. He currently has the medical insurance and dental insurance for Sky through his employer, and he agrees to continue to provide that through his employer. Judge, child support based on 20% of his income would be $1,060 a month. However, parties are agreeing and requesting child support be set to $900 a month, and I can take testimony on that. There's no request for any retroactive child support. Court costs would be as billed, and neither party is requesting any non-disclosures of their addresses. If I could call.
You may call your first witness.
I'll call the mother. Ma'am, can you state your full name?
Yes, Charmaine Scroggins.
And Ms. Scroggins, did you hear all the terms of the order that were just read to the court?
Yes.
And did you understand all of those terms?
Yes.
With the exception of the child support amount, you agree with all the other terms of the order, is that right?
Yes.
Right. And as far as child support, you understand that guideline based on Mr. Canning's income would be child support at $1,060 a month. You understand that?
Yes.
But you're in agreement and asking the court to set it to $900 a month?
Yes.
And why is that?
Because Mr. Cannings is wanting it to be a little lower, and if that works, then that's perfectly fine.
Okay. Do you have any other reasons as far as your request to set it to $900 a month?
Yes, also still being insured through his employer.
You're insured through his employer?
Yes.
Okay. So Mr. Cannings covers you and Sky for health insurance.
Correct.
Okay. And you don't have any safety concerns with your address or contact information being listed in the court order?
No, he already picks her up from here whenever he does pick her up.
Okay. I'll pass the witness, Judge, and call Mr. Cannings.
You may.
Mr. Cannings, can you state your full name?
Terrell Lamar Cannings.
And did you hear all the terms of the order that were just stated to the court?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you understand all those terms?
As far as the address, what does that mean? You said something about an address disclosure. What does that mean?
Your address being listed in the court order. So in the
Okay.
court,
Okay.
did you understand all the terms?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And with the exception of the child support amount, you agree with the other terms of the order, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you understand, based on your income, your child support is calculated at $1,060 a month. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am. That's what the union dues?
Yes, that includes taking out the union dues you pay.
Okay.
And you're requesting it be lowered to $900 a month also?
Correct.
Okay. And why is that?
Because I'm gonna continue to pay her insurance. She's gonna continue to stay on my insurance for medical, vision, and dental.
Okay. And you understand though that the court order is only ordering you to provide the health insurance and the dental for Sky, which you're getting credit for, but not for Miss Scroggins. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am. I understand that.
Okay. But you're saying you plan to keep covering Miss Scroggins.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any safety concerns with your address or contact information being listed in the court order?
No, ma'am, I don't.
Okay. I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Okay. Then I will accept the agreement of the parties, make this agreement the order of the court. I will order child support at $1,060. Ms. Scroggins, I understand that he's covering you on health insurance, but he's not obligated to cover you on health insurance. So he could go to his employer tomorrow and drop you. He could go 6 months down the road and drop it. And because you have accepted less child support than he was supposed to pay, you might not be able to get this order modified. So this is what I tell everybody. You don't have to keep the extra $160. You can give it back to him every month. But I'm going to order it because that's what's in the best interest of Sky.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. So now that I've made my ruling, if you don't like it, if you think it's not fair, or you just don't agree, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. What court is this out of, Miss?
It's out of the 301st, Judge.
This is out of the 301st District Court. That is Judge Mary Brown. She might have a different opinion from mine. Now that I've given you that information, do either of you have any questions?
So it's not gonna be set at 900. It's gonna be set at 1,060.
It's going to be set at 1,060.
So that means she's not gonna be on my insurance.
I mean, that's up to you. Like I
That was
said, she can give you the 1,060 back every month, but I'm going to order it according to guidelines.
okay. That's
You
265.
covering her in insurance is not a reason for me to deviate from the
Right. No,
guidelines, sir.
I understand, ma'am. I understand.
Okay. Legally, that's not a reason. That's why I said she can give you the money back every month.
All right.
Okay.
So that's 265 every week pay period.
Let me tell you. How often do you get paid?
Weekly, ma'am.
Okay, hold on 1 second. That's $244.61.
244.61.
Yes, sir.
How is that calculated? I'm sorry.
I did $1,060 times 12
Okay.
divided by 52.
Okay.
Okay.
And that
Any
would be,
other?
I'm
Go ahead.
sorry.
You have another question?
Yeah, that'll be coming on my check, the 244.61.
Yes, it should come from your check. Yes, sir.
Okay, and that's it. Since I'm already covering her on medical, that's gonna be it.
What do you mean that's going to be it? I don't know. I don't know when you say that's going to be it. You're
No, I'm
still
so,
dad. There might be other things you want to do for Sky. There
yeah,
might
I
be other
understand that.
things
I'm just
that
saying.
need to be done. But your obligation under this order is going to be cover Sky with health insurance and pay $1,060 a month.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. If there are no other questions, thank you both for appearing here today. Good luck to both of you, and you are both free to go.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, sir.
The absurdity of paying your baby mama's insurance premiums while she collects child support is almost too much to process, especially since the only person gaining is her. She walks away with her health care subsidized while her child support shrinks. What kind of mother shortchanges her child for her own benefits? And what kind of father thinks that's noble? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.